Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the weekly updates show. Na leo we'll be talking about the Russian guy that has been trending in Kenya recently. Amekuwa akitrend na several videos na mademu wa Kenya, especially mademu wenu. So leo I'm here mazee tuchambue several videos zenye huyu jamaa amefanya. I'm sure by now you've known this Russian guy. You've seen this Russian guy on social media. Wengi wameona pale kwa TikTok and most of the people wameona ingine pale kwa Telegram. So beno tunataka tuchambue hizi video zenye amefanya huyu jamaa and how cheap are our girls. Wanababaikia rangi kwa sababu we've seen most of these videos jamaa atoi ganji, atoi pesa. So tunachambua one video after another. I have several videos zenye nataka tuchambue, tuangalie how cheap are these girls. So tuanze na video moja hapa yenye niko nayo. I've recorded the video. The first one is this one. Okay?
Hello. What is it?
Now, the Russian guy yuko kwa supermarket.
What is it?
That's a shop like this one, but in a car, in a jar.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
I like how you look.
Thank you very much.
So hapa alimwambia I like how you look. Mkono wake akaweka direct kwa mkono dem. Alafu dem akasema thank you very much na akasmile. Akapigishwa mpaka 360 jo.
No? I from Russia, but I live here.
You live in Kenya?
Yeah.
That's the first video. You know, alipombiwa I am from Russia, tukiangalia hudem alishtuka kidogo. So this one tuiachie hapo. Let's go to the next video. Huyu mwanamke alipata naye kwa streets.
Hello. Hello.
Akasalimia hello.
Very interesting. How much is the territory?
How much is it? You want to buy it?
Huh?
You want to buy?
Mango, bananas.
So in this video unapata mwanamke aliulizwa how much is it? Akauliza how much is it? You want to buy it? Kidogo hapo inatupatia swali. You know? Ude makili yake iko imeenda kwa fruits wala nini? How much is it? Let's note that.
Banana.
Yeah.
Banana there.
You live here?
No.
In Mtwapa?
No. Kampala.
Huyu ni dema Mombasa. Mtwapa akasema hapana, naishi Kikambala. Very cheap.
Please.
Huyu akaingishwa kakeja.
Rent apartment. Wow. Hello, how are you? I like how you look. I like how you look.
Huyu ni dema Safaricom.
Hi.
Okay, let's go to other video. This one. Now, this video, huyu dem anakani dem ametoka church. Okay, so let's watch this video carefully.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you. I'm Joy.
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. Msichana akajiintroduce, hata ujiulizwa jina ni nani?
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you. I'm Joy.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Yefislav.
Jesse.
Yeah, Jesse.
You're saying your name is?
Sorry, kidogo today kama. Yes.
Yefislav.
That's a hard name.
It's
Walk around.
Russian now. What?
You stay around.
Yes, I stay no far from this place. 5-minute walk.
Okay. So where are you going?
City Mall.
Huh?
City Mall.
Take a walk.
What?
You are just taking a walk.
No, I live here.
Wow. Okay. I can walk you around.
Aya. How cheap are you? Naenda City Mall. I just taking a walk. Msichana akataka kutoka na Mrussia. Rahisi tu hivyo, rahisi tu. Hakuna sijui ni Mrussia hata hajajiongelea. Yeye ndo amesema nataka kwenda na wewe.
Say, I'm free. I don't have anything to do.
So toka kanisa. You are free. You don't have anything to do.
Maybe later. See you later.
Yeah, okay.
Number. Take it.
Are you married?
No, I'm single. And
No.
Are you married? No, I'm single. Unapata mtu ako na bwanake na familia.
you're single?
Yeah, I'm single.
What's your number?
How old are you?
I am 27.
We. Dema ameona opportunity, ameona chance. Mpaka anauliza namba yeye mwenyewe. Another video. Let's play this one.
Hello, what is your name? Hi. I like how you look.
Thank you.
You Kenyan girl?
Yeah,
Live here.
yeah.
I'm from Russia,
Russia.
but live here too.
That's nice.
How old are you?
19.
19.
Yeah.
19 years. 19.
You live with your parents or husband?
Just alone.
Alone.
Yeah. I'm a student.
Students.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
I would like to see you in the evening. Okay?
When?
Today in the evening, I would like to see you.
Yeah, I can try.
Okay?
Yeah.
Write
Cheap,
me, please,
very
in
cheap.
WhatsApp. I have a Russian WhatsApp.
Very
Russian
cheap.
number.
Nataka kuona jioni, I can try. Na akapewa namba rahisi tu. Ona venye alimshika.
Yeah.
So how cheap are our girls, man? How cheap are they? Ni ngori, ni blanda. But tutazidi kufuatilizia hii story tuone who is this Russian guy. Why is he doing this? Manze, I go by the Rebecca Smasher and this is the weekly update show. Manze, usiende kokote, tutakuwa tunakuletea the full evidence, yani the full information. Who is this Russian guy? Peace out.